Hello everybody, I am here doing another pack opening, but I need to talk about a website that I have started. It's a coin website, and yeah, while I'm talking about it, I'll be opening packs. So me and my friend have started a coin website where we sell coins that are cheaper than UT FIFA, and they're legit. We're legit. So if you want to buy them, just check them out. That's gonna be in the link in the description. For now, let's just open 500k worth of pack. And we got these packs are shizzles. P. Who we get? Huh. Wasting my coins. We get boom. Ew. Oh wait, who's that? Oh. Okay, we get in our next pack. We get Boo. Oh, he went higher rated. Keep him in the transfer market. Next pack. We get Boo. Oh, he's not that good. Who else do we get? I just put him in the transfer market. Next pack. We get boom. Oh shoot. Not the best, not the worst. Starting club. I think 4 more packs. Again? Seriously? Okay. We get was it ugly? I need to pronounce his name. Okay, 3 more packs to go. Maybe 4. No, never mind. I hate it when EA says this, look. When it says top players, increase chance to find top players in packs on now. The only players that I packed that were top was Neymar and Bale. And the pack opening that you guys saw on my last video. There's nobody good at Aguero, that's it. I haven't packed Zlatan, Robin, none of them. We get boom. Benzema, not that great. Okay, next pack, maybe final pack. We get boom. So shit. Okay, regular pack. We get boom. Another pack, boom, 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 boom. Those shizzles. Come on, if we don't pack an 83 rated or above, I'm done. Oh my god, packs are terrible. We get boom. Orion. Alright guys, that'll be it for today's pack opening. And what I have told you about the website, please go check it out. Yeah, please tell your friends and everybody about the website. The link of the website would be in my description down below. So if you want it, I guess if you want cheap coins that are cheaper than UT FIFA, then I guess you should check out my new website. It'll be in the link in the description, and yeah.